Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Batata Vada. For that I have taken around 6 potatoes, medium sized potatoes, boiled and kept here. In the pressure cooker, 3 to 4 whistles you can give. Then 1 cup gram flour I have taken. That a pinch of Ajwain powder, roasted and powdered. It's added. For the tadka, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, haldi powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic green chili paste. If you want, you can crush the ginger garlic and green chili in the mortar and pestle and add to it. Then crushed dhania. This is optional. Hing powder, garam masala, salt. This chili powder is for adding to the besan for making the batter. Then we need coriander leaves. A pinch of soda I have added to this. Now little turmeric powder. We'll mix this well. Salt, add water and make batter. I'm adding another half cup of besan in this. So totally we have taken 1.5 cup besan. I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, hing powder, curry leaves, the ginger garlic paste, green chili paste also, turmeric powder, salt, add the mashed potato in it. And give a good mix. You can add lime juice. I don't have lime, so I am adding a little bit of Amchur powder, the garam masala, coriander leaves, mix this well. Our potato masala is ready for the vada. Cool this and make a lemon sized ball out of this. The size can be varied according to your requirement. You can make it. And the spices like the green chili you add according to your requirement. I need very less spice, so I have taken very less green chili. You may increase according to your requirement. And this has come out perfectly. Now we'll switch off the gas. I have kept the oil for heating up. Now we'll make small ball out of this. You can make it round shape or you can flatten this like this. You can flatten and make the vadas. Now the vadas are ready to get fried. I have prepared the balls and kept. You can serve it along with the pav or bread. The bread is here. I don't have the pav today. So now the batter consistency, slightly it has become thick. I had made and kept little water we can add to this. So this is the consistency of the batter. Oil is getting heated up. Let us check. No, it is not hot. We'll wait for some time. Let us check the oil. Yes, it is hot. Now we'll dip the potato balls and put it in the oil. If you want a thick coating, you keep the batter consistency into a dosa batter consistency. I want a little slightly thinner coating, so I have added little extra water so that it is not too thick. It's fried nicely. I will remove this. If there is balanced batter, you can make it pitla, or you can add some more gram flour in it and onion etc. and make bhaji out of this. So our batata vada with bread is ready here to serve. You can serve this along with fried green chili and the lasun chutney. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.